A lot of people always ask me, how are you able to juggle all those businesses? Like, it sounds too good to be true that I have 7 different streams of income. People think I'm going crazy, okay? But how do I do it? How can one person run 7 multiple streams of income from the comfort of her home, on her phone, and her laptop? If you want to learn how I did it and how you can do it and how anyone can do this, guys, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Hello my loves, and welcome back to another video here today. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to use one skill that I had to create 7 multiple streams of income. And this is something that anyone can do out there. You watching this video right now already have some information, some skills, some knowledge that someone is dying to learn from, okay? Don't underestimate your skills, guys. Don't underestimate what you know. People are happy to pay for something that you already know, and I'm sure you've paid for knowledge, you've paid for books, courses, coaching, you've paid for some sort of help and advice on something that you needed help with. So tap into your God-given talent and monetize that talent, guys. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did it with proof, and how you can also go out there and do the same thing. If there's any lesson to be learned from what we've been through in the pandemic, is never to rely on a single source of income. I feel like that was the biggest eye-opener to a lot of people, and a lot of people are now looking into creating multiple streams of income simply because they've been let off their jobs, and now they know that those jobs are not secured. Nothing is secured. One stream of income is not secured. Your business is not secured. Always look for opportunities to multiply your income. If there's one thing that rich people have in common, is the fact that they always invest in multiple streams of income. I've never heard of a rich person that had just one stream of income, okay? They always look for opportunities to invest in multiple streams of income. Now the secret, however, is, and that's what has actually worked with me, is not to just think about creating different multiple streams of income where you're going to find yourself burning out. You open a restaurant, you open a brick and mortar store, creating a bunch of offline businesses that are going to drain you out, because it's going to be impossible to run, and it's going to be very expensive to even manage these businesses, okay? Now this is what we're not going to be doing. What we're going to be doing is creating passive income, okay? And the reason why we're going for passive income is the fact that we want to create businesses that can easily run themselves in the background without you having to be actively present every single time to make it work. So you want to create businesses that you can set up once, okay? You create the business one time, and then it starts to work itself in the background and bring you that income every single day, okay? This is the secret behind passive income, and the secret behind how I'm able to run multiple businesses, to run a home. I'm a mom of 2, but I'm still out here, guys, creating multiple streams of income, 7 streams of income. Anyone can do it, but you really need to focus more on passive income versus active income. And I'm going to share my journey here, and also share how you can learn from my experience, and how you can also put the pieces together, and how you can use skills that you have right now to create yourself multiple streams of passive income, okay? So my journey online started in 2010, where I was selling digital products on eBay. I was still at college at this time, and I was looking for ways to make extra income online. So of course I go to Google and I Google how to make money online, and there was a bunch of survey sites, fill out surveys and get paid like pennies, and I'm like, I'm not doing that, okay? So I came across this amazing opportunity of selling digital products online by reading a blog post. I really can't remember what that blog post was, but that opened my mind to the world of digital products and how you can make this passive, okay? It's literally anything from ebooks, courses, anything basically that people can access online and purchase and download immediately. Now of course it wasn't really a full-time thing for me, because I then went on to get a full-time job, and I worked in the banking, financial sectors, insurance sectors, pension sectors. So I have been around the corporate world myself. So within that time I wasn't really paying attention to the online business side of things, because I was getting a comfortable income. So which is one thing I believe that a lot of us that work full-time struggle to create businesses, because we get pretty comfortable with our full-time jobs, which is okay if that's what you want, and you know, if that's your life goal, to work full-time and, you know, pay your bills and save up a little bit if you can, if you're earning a good amount of income. But if you're someone out there, you know, like for me personally, I knew it wasn't for me. The corporate world wasn't for me. Working full-time for someone else wasn't for me, and building someone else's dreams wasn't for me. As a child, I've always wanted to be my own boss. I just didn't know what I wanted to do in terms of like what business was I gonna start, but I knew deep down that I really wanted to be my own boss. You know, I love watching business women, you know, wearing my suit, sitting in my office. Fast forward to 2015, I decided to launch my boutique business. Now, this is where I started to struggle. I always experienced in terms of selling digital products online, but I didn't really have the experience of selling physical products. So I wanted to start a boutique business, but I really didn't want to go through that process of having to buy any inventory in bulk, because I don't like to take expensive risks. Okay, I like to take calculated risks. So before I invest on anything, I ask myself the question, am I willing to lose this money if this thing doesn't work? That's like the mentality and the mindset that I use to create every single stream of my incomes, to get into literally anything in my life. I'm thinking, if it doesn't go as planned, is it going to be the end of the world? And if it's going to be the end of the world, I'm not doing it. Okay, if it's going to involve me having to use up all my savings, I'm not investing in it. Okay, mine. So I came across the business model called dropshipping, where you don't have to buy any inventory in bulk, which was like the perfect for me, because I was like, great way to test the market before I buy a bunch of inventory without the assurance that it's going to sell. So I went on to start my boutique business, dropshipping, and during that time I really struggled to find information on the internet around starting a boutique business, dropshipping related to no money. There was a lot of information around buying wholesale, buying inventory in bulk. It wasn't what I wanted to do. I needed a strategy that wasn't gonna involve me having to invest in advance, okay, like a lot of money. Of course, I'm all about investing, but I wasn't gonna buy thousands of inventory in bulk. And secondly, I had no space in my house to store all that inventory, so it didn't make any sense to me at all. Okay, and I started to tell myself, you know what, there's other people out there that probably need this information that I have right now, so let me go out there and start helping other people launch their boutiques as well with little to no money, which led me to my second income stream, YouTube. This brought me to starting my YouTube channel in 2017, where I was just plainly sharing information around how I started my boutique business with no money. So I literally created a business just as a way to just give back and help someone out there. I didn't realize that the video was literally gonna like go viral. I call it viral because I'm a fairly small channel, so to get over 100,000 views on that video was a big deal for me. And till date, if you go on Google and Google how to start an online boutique with no money, my video literally pops up like literally on the first, the few first videos at the top of Google. So that video is still getting so many views every single day, and for every view that video gets, I'm making some money. YouTube is paying me some money just for having people to, just people watching my video. By people watching my video, YouTube is paying me some money, right? Because I've monetized those videos. There's ads on those videos, and because I have those ads, when people watch those ads, before watching my videos, I get paid. So this is literally my second stream of income. YouTube is paying me for my videos that I'm putting out here. So when you guys come here watching these videos, thank you. YouTube is paying me a little penny for a view, right? They pay me like pennies per view, and when those views add up, trust me, it can be a lot of money. People are doing this full-time, like literally making full-time income on YouTube, guys, by creating a bunch of like content. Like if I wanted to do this full-time, I'm probably going to be doing like 2 videos a day, like going crazy on YouTube. But because I use YouTube predominantly to get traffic back to my businesses, it's not really my main stream of income, but it's another stream of income, like another extra, like few hundreds of dollars every single month that I cannot really complain, guys. Like I'm getting customers to my businesses via the YouTube platform, but not only that, I'm getting paid by just uploading these videos and giving value, guys. So that was my second stream of income, YouTube. You could look into starting a YouTube channel based on your own skills, based on your own experience, guys, something that has helped you. There's YouTube channels here around things that you would never imagine. You can come on YouTube and search for information around anything that you can think, anything imaginable, guys, and you will find a channel that literally specializes around that nature. Okay, so that's my second stream of income. Now, I started to get comments. Obviously, people were asking me questions under the video, which then led me to my third income stream in 2018. I created the Run Boutique Academy. I wanted to create a one-stop hub for boutique owners to go and find literally every information that they need around starting a boutique business. So when people started asking me on YouTube, how do I do this? How do I do that? I package all that information, guys, into courses, digital products, templates, planners, right? And I put it together at the Run Boutique Academy. So when they come asking for those questions, I'm like, hey, head over to the Run Boutique Academy, right? So that's my third stream of income right there, that was created in 2018, guys, still using the same information that I already possess. And that's something you can do. You can package your knowledge into a course, into a template, anything that somebody can actually get some value from. Okay, which then led me to my fourth stream of income. In 2019, I wrote my book, The Online Boutique CEO, which is currently a hot seller on Amazon right now. If you go on Amazon and search for how to start an online boutique or on anything online boutique book, it's going to bring this book as a top of a search result. Okay, so this book literally has brought me so many sales, because once people read this book, they're able to then come to the Run Boutique Academy, they're able to watch my videos, they're able to comment. Like, I look at it as a marketing magnet. Okay, and this is a great way to build authority in your niche. So you can write a book on literally anything, guys. So which takes me to my fourth stream of income: book publishing on Amazon. You can publish a book based on skills that you already have right now. You can publish books from, it doesn't have to be a 300-page book. It can be a 10-page ebook that you sell on Kindle. It doesn't have to be a physical book. It can be a journal, it can be a planner, just anything that you feel others can benefit from. People make a lot of money publishing low content ebooks on Amazon KDP, guys, and at the end of the month, Amazon pays me a commission for all my book sales. So again, think about ways that you could package your skills into an ebook. And if you guys need help with all the strategies, I'll leave a link below this video in description field. You guys can check out onepassiveworld.com, where I literally share like more in depth, and I teach you guys step by step how to put all these pieces together. Okay, and then in 2021, I decided to sell my products on another platform called Etsy. So if you've not heard about Etsy yet, Etsy is an amazing platform where you can sell anything from templates to planners to t-shirts to literally anything you can sell on Etsy, guys. So a lot of people don't realize the power of selling on Etsy, and I was that person. So I watched a video, I don't know, I think I watched a video about where to sell digital products, and someone was talking about selling digital products on Etsy. So I thought, okay, you know what, I already have these digital products at the Run Boutique Academy. Why not sell them on other platforms and get even more eyeballs to your products? So I went on and created an Etsy account, guys, as a test in January 2021. It was kind of like an experiment to see how this is gonna work. It's free to join anyway. And then I started to sell my templates, my planners that I already sell at the Run Boutique Academy on Etsy. And by the end of the year, guys, to date, we're almost at £6,000 in sales. Okay, and this is like, I don't have to do anything. I literally just put those templates there and forgot about it. Okay, the first month I didn't really make anything. The second month I started to get notification from Etsy. Oh, you just made a £10 sale. You just made a £10 sale. Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh, people are actually buying this stuff. Wow, so there is some traffic here that are interested in my products as well. Like I said, it was just a test. I didn't have to do anything extra apart from just register for an Etsy account and upload those products there. And again, because this is not a full-time thing for me, guys, I only have like 3 products, maybe 3 digital products that I sell on Etsy, and that's about it. But people are making a full-time, like for 3 products I was able to make about $6,000 till date for doing absolutely nothing. That's another stream of passive income that you could tap into. If you wanted to do this full-time, you could have multiple digital products. It's a volumes game, guys. The more products you have, the more potential you have to make money. So this is another stream of income that is bringing me some extra income every single month. Not a lot, because like I said, I'm not really doing much there. I just have a few products there. Maybe I'll create more products in the future, but for now it's a great extra income, guys. So this is my fifth source of income, stream of income that you could also tap into. And then in 2021, I also created an online training and learning platform as well, because I felt like my knowledge wasn't only limited to helping people start a boutique business, which is what most people know me for, helping you start a boutique business. I know way more than that, because like I said, I've been on the internet since 2010. I'm great at digital products. I'm great at creating courses, ebooks. I've launched books. I've started YouTube channels. I've done things, guys, that I felt I had all this other extra knowledge that I needed to help other people out there with. So I needed to create a separate platform. So the Run Boutique Academy was already geared towards targeting boutique owners only. So I wanted to create an all-in-one educational hub that you can literally go there and learn how to start any type of online business. So I launched Funnelpire in 2021, late 2020, early 2021. So that's my 6th stream of income. Again, digital products based around knowledge and information that I already possess. So I have to literally create those products one time and start generating income. Like every time someone buys a course, all I'm getting is my notifications of how much money I've made. I don't have to go and ship anything, package anything. It's all passive income, guys. And this is how I'm able to, you know, make all this money, make passive income whilst not being present, and how I'm able to run all these multiple streams of income without killing myself, pretty much. Not to say it's easy, but hey, it's better than having to run 7 different restaurants or 7 different brick and mortar stores that would not only consume your money, but it's gonna drain you. Okay, so like I said, the goal is passive income, online business, and automation. Anything that can be automated, guys. You could create 100 different passive income streams as long as they can be automated, and all these income streams will be bringing you money. Like every single day, if I don't make money from my boutique, I'm probably making money from selling a course, or I'm probably making some sales on Amazon KDP from, you know, selling my ebooks, or I'm probably making some money on Etsy. So all these different platforms, and YouTube again is paying me not only for the videos that I release, but even when I don't show up on YouTube. I had my newborn in December 2021, so I just had my newborn, and for from October till around February, I never created a single video on YouTube because I was tired and I had to focus on my newborn. But even at that, YouTube was still paying me for my old videos, my old content. So they don't only pay you for the videos that you put out, but the old videos that you already have within your platform still make you money. That's passive income, guys. So I've talked about 6 income streams, and then my 7th and my final income stream, which I launched earlier this year, is One Passive World. You guys have probably heard me talk about it already. So One Passive World, again, is kind of like a one-stop hub where you can literally go and get your own online business set up. Okay, so this is not really, you know, it's like a course that is like a hub that contains everything that teaches you how to start your online business. Okay, so this is my final, it's definitely not my last one, because I'm thinking about getting into property investment and other things as well, which are all sort of passive income as well. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video useful regards to how I build multiple streams of income and how you can also build multiple streams of income, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know below this video if you've been inspired to create any of the streams of income. And you know what? The opportunities are out there. It's up to you to tap into them. And if you need help putting all these pieces together, I will leave a link below this video. Check out onepassiveworld.com. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I share a lot of amazing reels. I'm always out there dancing on Instagram reels and sharing some cool stuff. So follow me on Instagram, guys. If you guys want to connect with me more, slide in my DM. Let's chat. I always love to chat with you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.